Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to accept a data demographic Syncvite. When a practice would like to get demographic information from a patient, they are able to send a Syncvite to the patient to request such information. For more information regarding how to send a Syncvite, please refer to the Data Demographic Syncvite user manual linked in this video's description. Once the patient has accepted the Syncvite, the practice will be able to see that the patient has shared the demographic details. For more information regarding how the patient can respond to the Syncvite, please refer to the Data Demographic Syncvite myGC user manual linked in this video's description. From the diary screen, click on the patient booking to access the diary sidebar. The user can see whether the Syncvite has been accepted and if the patient has agreed to share their demographic details with the practice. A green line will appear on the booking to indicate the patient has shared their demographic details with the practice. Please note that the myGC button has changed color to green to indicate that the debtor has shared their demographic information with the practice. Click on the myGC button to see the information that has been shared with the practice. The data update screen will open. The screen will be divided into three sections. The first section is imported data, which is the patient data that has been imported from myGC. The basic information of the patient will display. Name is the full name and surname of the patient. ID number is the identification number on the chosen identification of the patient. Date of birth is the day, month and year when the patient was born. Email is an electronic mailing address of the patient. Dependent number is a number allocated to the patient. For patients that have medical aid, this will correspond to the dependent number on the medical aid policy. Unlink allows the user to unlink a patient from the external account so that the information is not imported or changed with the practice. Click on the Unlink Patient button to unlink the patient. The data will be removed and the external patient will be unlinked from the system patient. We will now look at the second section, which is working patients, which is the final patient data that will be saved to the debtor. Please note that the information that will appear in this section will be the same in all the sections. Tick on the main member checkbox of the patient who will be the main member of the account. Now we will go over the third section, which is the GoodX web system. The GoodX web system contains the patient's information that is currently on the practice's database. Please note that the information that will appear in this section will be the same in all the sections. Click on Close to cancel the request and return to the main diary screen. Or click on Save to save the changes that have been made to update the patient's file and return to the main diary screen.